Is making money online something that interests you? You know what? You can make thousands of dollars using Pinterest without having to spend any money or do the hard work. In this video, I'll show you how to use Pinterest to make money. It's a simple process and I'll show you how to start earning money on Pinterest today. So, keep watching till the end. But before we start, make sure to check the links in the description below to make big money instantly, so make sure you don't miss out on that. Subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. Now let's jump to the video. Pinterest is a social media platform that allows users to post images and videos of their favorite things. It has over 500 million users who spend an average of more than 20 minutes on the site each day. Pinterest is more than just a social media platform, it's also a powerful making money method. Pinterest is mainly used by women, but it's also seen as a social media site for men. If I told you that you could earn $300 and even more every day on Pinterest, how would you feel about it? How this might improve your life? Would it allow you to pay your debt, stop living paycheck to paycheck, or save more money for a vacation? Plus, you don't need any prior knowledge to make money online. There are many ways to make money through Pinterest, such as through blogs, affiliate marketing, or advertising your products on the platform. Today I will talk about money making on Pinterest by blog. And you don't have to be a great writer to start a blog and make money on Pinterest. If you can type and have a strong desire to learn, you are ready to start utilizing Pinterest to your benefit. However, keep in mind that this is not a quick route to wealth. You may have a tough time for a while, and you will have to put in a lot of work, but the result will be well worth it. So, how to start a blog? First, you should follow my simple step-by-step instructions to launch your blog properly. Eventually, you'll be glad you did this for yourself. I know you might be considering making a blog on WordPress.com or Blogger since it's free, but please don't. Using a free blog makes it incredibly difficult to apply to ad networks and affiliate programs, making it almost impossible to generate money. If you want to establish a blog, the best option is to have it hosted by a web hosting company such as Hostinger, Bluehost, HostGator, etc. Now that you have a blog, you should create about 10 entries that address the issues faced by your target audience. Talk about something you're passionate about, as it will always come through better. Don't choose a subject based on how much money you believe it will bring in. It may work out, but how long can you maintain writing about something you have no passion for? Think about what people are actively looking for when they use search engines like Google. Then set up a Pinterest business account. This is 100% free. Make sure to include relevant keywords in your profile bio. This helps users find you easily. Once that's done, follow their instructions to claim your website on Pinterest. Now you can start creating boards and pins on your account. As a beginner, I recommend using Canva to make pins, it is free and easy to use. Also make sure to involve relevant keywords in your personal boards and pin descriptions. Now, you are ready to make money on Pinterest. When writing blogs that are valuable for readers, you can leverage Pinterest to drive a lot of traffic to your blog and make money by displaying ads through Google AdSense. Aside from Google AdSense, there are other ad networks you can apply to, such as Propeller Ads, Monumetric, Rev Content, Adversal, AdThrive, Mediavine, Playwire, Infolinks, Bidvertiser, Shemedia, Taboola, Ilix, and much more. And in the coming video, I will explain in detail the best Google AdSense alternatives for bloggers. So, follow and make sure to subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. Now the question is, how much you can earn on blogging? You may earn anywhere from $5 to $20 per 1,000 page views daily depending on the number of ads you have, and the ad network you choose to work with. When people from Pinterest visit your site, you might make thousands of dollars every month just by displaying ads. Now, make sure to check the links in the description if you like to make money instantly. In the end, if you found this video valuable, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell.